How to sign in to Chase. So if you want to sign in to Chase account, then first of all you need to open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for Chase. And here you will have this www.chase.com. You can simply click on that. And here it will automatically take you to the sign in page. So to sign into your Chase bank, first you have to enter your username and then you can enter your password. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you will have this forgot username or password option. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover it, or you will get some instructions to your login. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it so that you will be your account will be saved while you log in the next time. And then simply click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in, your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into your Chase, or that's how you sign in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.